Hey, Tony Mercury with Autoshop Solutions. Today I'm joined with Greg Rainville from Mechanic Advisor. We recently announced our partnership with them and wanted to talk a little bit more about the why behind what we're doing with them. Mechanic Advisor and us have been working together closely for about 5 or 6 years now, and we quickly realized that while we were doing the acquisition side, there's a big need for our current clients to do retention marketing. And the nice part about what we offer is we're gonna pick who we feel is the best solution for our clients, and it quickly became apparent that it was Mechanic Advisor. We noticed that they're getting the best returns for their shops that they're working with. They're doing innovative things like text messaging and Google reviews. And we really saw this explosion of growth from the shop's perspective, and we just continued to recommend them and see these shops grow. So earlier this year, we sat down with the team at Mechanic Advisor and really ironed out some details and dreamed up what the ideal package for marketing from acquisition to retention would look like for a repair shop.
Us putting together this package deal that we created in August just makes the most sense for us and our customers, and then future customers, to have a package where it covers everything from obviously acquiring new customers through Google AdWords, website SEO, and then obviously you invest in getting those customers through the door. You want to get them back through the door. Mechanic Advisor plugs in right there. So it's a great solution, great team working together to make it happen for our shops.
Contact us today to learn about how these two programs are going to help accelerate your business.